Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, Pisces, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with the readings, okay? So we have the Fool and Five of Pentacles. Oh. Okay, so Pisces, these are your current energies and this is your partner's current energy, okay? So we have the Fool and Five of Pentacles. Pisces, are you guys taking a leap of faith in life right now? Okay, perhaps you have been dished by someone. Okay, perhaps somebody has left you in cold. Okay, perhaps someone has dished you, cheated on you. Okay, somebody has broken your faith or belief. Okay, now you are being somebody who does not want to think much about anything or anyone. You just want to take a step towards your new life, towards your growth, okay, towards your success. Okay, at this point of time you are not believing on anybody but on yourself and on God Almighty. Okay, you are not trusting anybody right now. Okay, you are just having faith in God. Okay, having faith in God's timing. Okay, so you are in that state of mind, Pisces, that I have trusted so many people so many times and everybody has dished me, everyone has used me for their own benefit. Okay, now it's time for me to work on myself. Now it's time for me to shine like a star. Now it's time for me to take a leap of faith in life. Now it's time for me to work on my own growth, my own expansion, my own success. Okay, this is the time for me to put all my efforts into in my life. Okay, I don't care what who what people are talking about me, who is saying what about me. Okay, I'm least bothered, and I'm least concerned about other people's opinion, other people's view towards me, towards my life, towards my actions. Okay, so you are being somebody who is putting a lot of efforts into your own growth, into your success. Okay, because you have seen so many uh, people who have dished you in past. Okay, they have their own personal agendas. Okay, behind those behind those intentions. Okay, but now you are not trusting anyone. Okay, you are trusting on yourself, you are trusting God, you are trusting on your on God's timing. Okay, so that's you, Pisces. The best part is that, Pisces, that you are not being you are not behaving, or you are not acting as a victim. Okay, rather you are really calm. Okay, what you do, you are doing whatever you want to do, or whatever you wanted to do from a very long time. Okay, so that's the best thing which is happening with you, Pisces people. Okay. Now this is your partner's current energy, Pisces. So we have Wheel of Fortune. So Pisces, I feel that your person is waiting for something. Okay, they must be waiting for something to happen in their life. Okay, it could be their dream job, their dream business, their new home, new car, new beginning in life. Okay, something new. Okay, so they were somebody who had waited for some special blessings into their life, be it material things, or be it in form of blessings or something like that. So their time has arrived now. It is their time. Okay, and they are enjoying their time. Okay, they have been prayed about this thing from a very long time. Now it is the time when they are really enjoying those benefits. Okay, plus if not, then their time has start now. Okay, they are definitely going to enjoy, or they are definitely going to get whatever they have manifested, okay, in past. So universe has made all the arrangements for them. Okay, universe has made all the possibilities into in their favor. Okay, so they are enjoying their best time in life right now. Plus, if they are not able to comprehend this thing, then eventually they will get to know that, okay, this is my best time, this is what I have been prayed for from a very long time. Okay. Okay, Pisces, let's see how you see them and how they see you. Oh, Justice. So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. Okay, we have Libra in this reading. So you see them as somebody who is being very mature, very wise. Okay, this person is showing that they have a lot of wisdom within themselves. Okay, they have the ability and capability to bring balance into their life. Okay, plus this person has authority too. You feel that, you feel Pisces, that this person has authority in their life. Okay, they know when to stop someone or when to cut connections with people. Okay, and what exactly the other person is required from them. Okay, they are not the one who always keep on giving and giving and giving. So they create balance, they maintain balance within their life. Okay, they know their limits, they know their boundaries. Okay, so you see them as somebody who is mature, who is a wise person. Okay, this person has a lot of wisdom. Okay, even though they have sword in their hand, but it doesn't mean that they, just use this sword without even thinking. Okay, so they are mature. Okay, they know who deserves this sword and who does not. Okay, on the other hand, your Pisces, your person sees you as somebody who is, really wishing to start something new in your life. Okay, your person sees you as somebody that this person has enormous opportunities. Okay, just behind, just in front of in front of you. Okay, so Pisces, your person feels about you that you are now starting your new life. Okay, perhaps you are willing to travel. Okay, perhaps your person sees you that you are willing to, relocate somewhere else, some other place of the world. Okay, your person also sees you that you are being somebody who is waiting for something to happen. Okay, you have a lot of patience within you. That's how your person sees you, Pisces. Okay, plus your person sees you as somebody who knows how to, move ahead in life. Okay, step by step. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you, Pisces. How you feel about them and how they feel about you. 3 of Cups. So Pisces, you feel about them, I mean, whenever they comes into your life, and whenever you guys get a chance to meet or get a chance to talk, you feel really happy. You feel really that thing is the biggest occasion for you. Okay, you feel their presence as an occasion for you. Okay, so you feel that you should celebrate this thing, you should celebrate their presence in your life. You feel really happy. Okay, celebration doesn't mean that you are going out with somebody, or you are going out with going out somewhere with your partner. It means that you really cherish those moments when you get a chance to talk to your person. Okay, so you feel really happy whenever they try to communicate with you, or whenever they ping you, whenever they text you, whenever they call you. Okay, so I feel that their presence really matters for you, Pisces. Okay, on the other hand, Pisces, your person feels about you, Queen of Wands. Pisces, your person feels about you that you are projecting yourself as a queen, okay? You have wand in your hand, that means you are willing to take action, okay? Plus you have the sunflower in your other hand, that means you have emotions, okay? Okay, you are very kind-hearted person, you are very polite and humble person in life, okay? Plus they also see that I mean, with this wand they see you as somebody who has authority to take action, but they also feel about you, Pisces, that you are looking somewhere else. That means your vision, your focus is on to something else. This could be your success, this could be your finances, this could be your goals, okay? Pisces, your person feels that this time my Pisces is like really busy, I should not disturb them. You have your own responsibilities, this is your responsibilities, okay? So a person understands you that right now my Pisces is very busy into their life, okay? They must be doing a lot of work all together, okay? So I should not disturb them right now, okay? So even though my Pisces person really wants to talk to me, really wants to take certain action towards me, but they are like really busy into their life, okay? They have no time to take a rest, okay? So I should not bother them, okay? Let them finish their work, then they will definitely come and talk to me, okay? So that's how your person feels about you, Pisces. Now let's see how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. So Pisces, we have Seven of Pentacles. So you feel in this relationship as you are the only one who's putting a lot of efforts into this relationship, okay? You have put all your heart and mind in this relationship, okay? And you are not afraid to work, in this relationship. You genuinely wants to put all your efforts into this relationship, because as I told you that you cherish their presence, okay? You genuinely cherish their presence, your person's presence in your life, right? So you feel that it doesn't matter how much efforts I'm putting, okay? It really doesn't matter to me, okay? All that matter is my person and their happiness, okay? So you feel that you are the one who's putting lot of efforts in this relationship. On the other hand, your person sees this relationship as a blessing, Pisces, okay? We have the Seven of Pentacles. So your person is seeing this relationship as a treasure for them, okay? They really mean it. They really respect your efforts. They really adore you. They really like you. They really love you, okay? The way you are putting all your efforts into this relationship, the way you put put them on priority, they really respect that feeling, okay? Respect that gesture, okay? So sometimes they just think, they don't do anything, they just sit idle, and they just think about you and this relationship, and they feel blessed, okay? Pisces, your person feel blessed, okay, to have you in their life, okay? To have a person like you, okay? You don't have any complaints from your person. That's what I'm seeing, Pisces. So sometimes they feel idle, and they feel really blessed that you are part of their life, okay? Now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Pisces. Oh, someone is moving to the other place. Pisces, I feel it's your person who is moving towards you. I told you that their lucky time, their good time has started now, or if not, it is about to start, okay? So I feel that now things are turning into your favor, Pisces. Your person who was not ready to be in this relationship earlier, or plus who were not in talking terms with you in past, okay? Or who who was not, uh, who was not in any connection with you in past. This person is now taking certain steps towards you. I feel that it's your person who is coming towards you. Okay, they must be living far behind you. Okay, it could be a long distance relationship, Pisces. So I feel that this person must have, must be planning to visit you. Okay, must be planning to visit your city, your country, your continent. Okay, they can be from another city, from another region, from another country, from another continent. Okay, they can be in any part of the world right now. So this person is, you know moving ahead towards you. Okay, perhaps they are coming along with their family to meet you. Okay, this could also happen, Pisces. I'm seeing that this person is really keen to meet you right now. Okay, so now your time has started now. Okay, this person has started now, and eventually they are definitely going to realize, and they must be realizing this thing right now as well, that I should meet my Pisces as soon as I can. So I feel that things are turning into your favor, Pisces. Okay. Okay, so Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with this Five of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. We have Libra in this reading with this Justice card. Okay, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Three of Cups. We have another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Six of Swords. And fire sign, we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Two of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay, so Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.